And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat. He's fun. And he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat. He's fun. And he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here, and this is Poppy's Other Workshop. I'm still going to be using Poppy's Workshop when I'm out in the shop. It's that way. But for in here, Poppy's Other Workshop. Poppy's Other Workshop. Welcome back. Hope you enjoy. Very good. Thank you, hamster. Okay. All right. That's enough. Okay, in my last video, or no, not my last videos, maybe the one before that, I showed you, well, it was melon time, pair of honeydews. I reamed out the holes in a shower head, and I attached some hinges to a baby gate. Hi, this is another one. You see, this is the toggle that pushes it into place so it jams and the baby can't push it over. You hope. My granddaughter was 5 months old, and she was in the cruising stage where they crawl until they get to something and they pull themselves up. She chose one day to pull herself up on the baby gate. And she was hanging on to the top. And she leaned and boom, over. So the next day I had to go and get 4 PVC pipe caps and set them in the wall. I've got a JPEG of that. It'll be on this video. Okay, this here, as I showed you, is the toggle. This is adjustable. You see by these slots, these little indentations. It can be a real pain in the butt to adjust. And so easy to lose your adjustment, especially if you have an idiot who wants to change your setting. After you spent 2 hours getting it just right, the idiot comes along and wants to change the setting so it doesn't fit now. Anyway, back over here. What I did is I took a piece see right here, this is soft iron plumber's tape and duct tape to hold it in place. The plumber's tape holds the toggle in the setting where you want it. The duct tape holds the plumber's tape in place. Now, I said soft iron. Don't get that plastic plumber's tape because it's garbage. It's not even good for plumbing work. It's definitely no good for setting up baby gate toggle. So anyway, like I said, Ashley was tiny little thing. She's just in the cruising stage, and over it went. The next day, I go to the hardware store and I get 4 of those PVC pipe caps. You glue them on the end of a piece of PVC pipe while you're in construction. And I set them into the wall. Took a hole saw. And after I marked where they had to be, the hole saw, here, up here, the hole saw made the holes for those rubber footies. And I screwed those pipe caps into the 2x4s underneath of the drywall, which I cut out with the hole saw. I solved the problem of granddaughter knocking the baby gate over. And it wasn't until, she was 9 months old that she walked up to it one day, swung a leg, straddled it like it was a horsey, then down the other side. Ha 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 ha! Kid was always too advanced for the good of other people. Okay, I wanted to show you that toggle, and I've got a close-up picture of the toggle and one of the pipe caps set in the wall. They're going to be here on this video. Yeah, you have to make a hole in the drywall after you buy the 4 pipe caps and run drywall screws through the pipe caps into the 2x4 stud underneath the drywall. But what would you rather do? Make 4 holes in the drywall, which you can patch up someday, or have your grandchild tumble down this flight of stairs or escape from that room and get to someplace dangerous? Think really hard. Hole in the drywall is definitely beaten by safety of grandchild. Yeah. Anyway, 7 minutes already? Wow. I gotta add on the other stuff. Anyway, good night from California. Stay safe. I've said it before. Vaccination, mask, social distancing, and start wearing gloves. It's a nasty world full of filthy people putting their shitty fingerprints everywhere. And even if it ain't COVID, do you want to bring home someone else's shitty fingerprints? I don't think so. Good night from California. Okay. You come in here. I'll put this gate up. Come on, you. There.
There you are. Come to mama camera.
Okay, yeah.
Not
Toggle shut. What I need is a close-up here on the toggle. Right? 1 or 2 close-ups on the toggle, and like 1 or 2 close-ups on the PVC pipe caps I got set in the wall.
Okay, I'll do my best.
Closer. I mean, when I said close up, I mean get right up on it.
That's too close.
Well, actually,
To be out of the picture.
I was thinking like that.
You hold it, I'll flick it.
Okay.
Over there.
How about if I bring a chair over for you?
Still doesn't make me shake it unless I shake my freaking picture. He wants me to get down like this.
Well, here, let me put a chair there so you can park it. Now take these pictures. Yeah. Want to show the detail of the toggle. And at least one of these. Yeah, that's beautiful. Right there. Okay, now come over here.
Mm-hmm. Move your hand.
Okay. Take a couple.
Mm-hmm.
Too close. Take a couple shots of that.
Come on, take the goddamn picture.
Okay. Find your pictures. Make sure that you got the shots. Bad manners. Good beer. Sorry.
There's that shot.
Okay, that's good.
It's a little blurry, but apologize for that. Not me, you idiot.
And
Come back. Pictures.
yeah.
Get up there. Okay, there's your thing. Oh, come on.
That's the cup.
I know I took more than one picture.
Yeah, I know. That's either 3 or 4. There we go.
What?
Oh, well, that's
My lap.
showing. Yeah. Beautiful. Take that.
I can't. It's videoing.
Oh, okay. Well, video it. And 3, 2, 1. You can stop now.
That nice.
Anyway, find your videos and your pictures and send them to my email.
Well, I'm trying to figure out if I even took them.
Yeah.
Come on, asshole. Pictures, get over there. You had better take a picture of my goddamn knee.
Well, at least you're beautiful. Is that a picture?
Yeah, that's a picture.
Will you email them to me?
Wait a minute. That was a damn camera.
No, that's camera.
Yeah, I know. That's a picture.
Beautiful. That's what I wanted.
Actually, that's videotape.
Whatever. Please email them to me. Tazzy baby, please. I want to be able to find
What the
it.
hell is this bullshit? I didn't ask for you. Get lost.
That's the internet, dear.
Hey, fuckhead, to quit bugging me. What I need. You have to be such a pain. It would have been so easy if you'd had a Facebook. Alright, where's my fucking mail? This is not my mail.